In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add clock widget on your Windows laptop or PC. First of all, click on Windows Start menu and then search Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store search bar, search clock widget. At the left hand side, widget launcher. Click on that. To add clock widget, I will use widget launcher application. To install widget launcher, click on Get. Wait few moments to download and install widget launcher. Once installed done, click on Open. Now here you see digital clock. Click on that. Now set the skin. I will set colorful dark because my wallpaper is light. If your wallpaper is dark, select the colorful light and then click launch widget. Then again click on launch widget. Widget is loading. Here as you see, finally clock widget added our Windows home screen. If you want to change the clock widget color, just hover over the widget and then here you will see change skin. Click on that. Now you can change the skin color, change the color and then click on apply. In this way, you can add clock widget on your Windows laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.